Yo, what's up? We are in Ubud and we were wandering around showing you a few new places what we never show on previously vlogs, so stay tuned. The first place is railroad industrial lamps, something like this. My friend actually asked me also to come here and show you around because this place is very unique. You can have very interesting lamps. I think they are made from the old trains or something like this, parts. I'm not really sure, but check this out, the details and everything. At least it's a lot of light here, so will be the good for the video. It's not so dark. Oh, like this one, for example. Very, very interesting. This is the old wood, where was the rail track or rail trail. I don't know, and this is the lights. And I saw in some restaurants the lamps like this, and now I know where they are buying from actually, I think. Check this out.
Alright, I think that whenever you have a house or restaurant or villa and then you want to design, you know, your villas or restaurant with the unique lamp, I think maybe you should consider this place.
Oh, and you can even have your own red or green light, which is actually cool. And this is the railway lamp, not the street lamp, but well, you can have on your drive-through. That will be cool. Check this out. Or the table with the lights, also cool. They even have an old Volkswagen cup here. Very interesting place. BTS, they don't have a cafe here because it will be lovely to have a coffee in this place. Check this out, this Hobbit window, very big, and some toy. This is actually the real metal toy. Seems like circa maybe 1930s and imported from United States, I guess, because, well, they have another one over here. I don't want to break it, anything trespassing here. Very interesting toys and very interesting place itself. Yes, honey, very interesting, isn't it? Wind speedometer, interesting. Yeah, that's a little bit like a museum. Very nice. Alright, we are going outside the shop and check this out. So many lights. Very interesting. Quite unique spot. So this is very unique place. Even if you don't want to buy it, it's always good to have some Instagram pictures or something like that. Yes, Saya?
Yeah, it's so nice.
It's very
and behind
nice.
us is very nice rice paddies. So for you guys who is the Instagram lovers or Instagram celebrity, maybe it's a good, you know, selfie spot here.
I think so, not so bad. We are already here. I will show you also a little bit of the furnitures because they have like a real wood furnitures next door just. Maybe some of you are interested. Actually very nice, solid wood. Still fresh and new, I think. Check this out, you can buy even the complete door, like a Balinese doors, tables. And yeah, that's how it looks. And also here, check this out, very beautiful shop with the beautiful buffaloes, like a shiny ones. Interesting modern way of decorations.
So we are heading to Tegalalang Road, and so along Tegalalang Road, on the left side, on the right side, we can see many furniture shops. So the furniture shop could be made of stone, wood, so everything. Yeah, some shops are closed, some are open. So yeah, it's normal. So if you've been to Bali and then if you head to Tegalalang, you will pass this area.
Oh, and the ladies over there, they carry something on the head. Offerings.
Yeah, offerings.
Very
So nice. So in Tegalalang also many art shop. Very nice.
so we are in the Ubud Center, and I think we will have a wee stroll here. Yes, honey?
Yeah,
Check
let's
this.
have a walk here, just strolling around Ubud Center today.
Okay, so here is the Royal Palace in Ubud, and there, where is this lady crossing, is the art market. Jalan Monkey Forest at the front. It's some traffic here actually today, I have to say. And we will stroll today into this direction, which is the Pura Saraswati. Some tourists walking on the opposite way. Sayang. It's still quite empty. Yes, honey, what do you think? La?
Yeah, still some shops are closed. So yeah, around also still closed.
Yeah. But some tourists for the first time when I stroll around Ubud since last year. I mean the foreigner tourists, or at least they look like. And that's how it looks, the traffic. Here is the used to be some restaurants like Italian Ristorante Uno something, Orchid. Yeah, here is the Starbucks and Pura Saraswati. That's the very nice old Corolla, I think, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, and here is some local business. This is very nice small street in Ubud also. Yeah, not much has changed actually. Still, the Legend Ubud also closed. Many of these restaurants are just totally closed already for more than 1 year. Royal Palace again. It's going to be cloudy. I think it's gonna be rainy today later. And that's the parking area, our chimney over there.
Alright guys, so after strolling around Tegalalang area, and then it's dinner time actually, so we decided to go to the one restaurant. Actually this behind is resort, it's called Ham Retreat, but it seems like there is no guests, so we just have a dinner here.
It's a very nice place and very nice view from the restaurant. We are on the top floor, I mean second floor, and these beautiful rice fields. Also some local houses over there, and the beautiful sitting area. Here is Sayang, will be some food, and that's how it's the restaurant.
Simple but nice.
Simple but nice, and I hear this here is this place for the all Instagram stars. Do you wanna have a picture for Instagram? No? Okay. Okay. Have a very interesting stores here. Check this out. They also have a nice pool, but as you see the sunbeds are covered. Unfortunately, very old. I mean, not very old, but quite old place, but very nice with the beautiful view. Also here, very nice garden with the statues and the fish inside and the big gate. Alright, so I got my mocktail, non-alcoholic, don't take me wrong, and it's happy hour, so I'm so happy because I will get a second, and this looks like a shot, but it's actually strawberry syrup, you know.
This is not vodka, huh?
No, look at this. It's like a blood.
No.
Bloody drink. What's the alcoholic drink?
Bloody Mary?
Bloody Mary, yeah. I'm not drinking alcohol, you know that. It looks nice, look. Check this out. The syrup go down and it's like nice, fancy.
Okay, so our food is coming. Damian's ordered spaghetti and then...
Bolognese and my second mocktail arrived.
Alright guys, I think that's all our video today from Ubud. Just simple video, strolling around and have dinner. Thank you for watching and see you tomorrow.
See ya, take care.